to see the two of you finally get it should have happened 30 years ago.
When you have people rooting for you and for your win, that I would say the most deserving and the most satisfying feeling. Because when you win an award and people say, oh, she doesn't deserve it, there's no value of that award.
Does Shah Rukh gel better with Juhi, gel better with Rani? Does he gel better with Kajal? And nobody won that argument.
Because Shah Rukh's name is love, his second name is love.
We have not seen any wedding pictures. Do we have to wait for your silver anniversary? Tab jaake?
Maybe. Actually, that's a very good idea.
No, it's not. I was joking. And you did Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. Time it was criticized.
Maybe India wasn't ready for it. Because in history, when people talk about films, at least they'll remember our films as those films that actually spoke aloud to the nation or spoke to an audience who was yet not ready to face the truth.
Deepika Padukone, I believe she said that I will only work X number of hours and X number of days because as a mom now I need that.
I've also done it where I have worked certain hours, and if the producer is okay with it, you go ahead with the film. If the producer is not okay with it, you don't do the film. So it's also a choice, nobody is forcing anything on anybody. And of course, certain films require extra hours of work, but once you are planned, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. Imagine if men had to have children. They would drive people mad. Right now, they have a lot of time in their hand. That's why they're having wars. If they had to have children, maybe there would be no war in the world. I always feel as an actor, how many ever years I'll be in the industry, I will always be a student of cinema. I'm only absorbing.
Don't change the topic. When are you directing? सवाल ये था.
आपका मुद्दा ये है.
सवाल ये था. So when are you directing?
I think there'll be a time for everything. I always say in this profession, never say never.